Good morning, gentlemen. Mate, we've come to the best part of the day. We're at the Legends behind the grill, making everyone fed and satisfied. So we'll have a chat to some of these lovely master chefs here, Croatian master chef. Who do we got first? We got say your name, good sir.
Howdy, Peter Božanić.
Peter, I see you cooking up a storm of nothing at the moment. What are you doing?
Swiping onions.
Swiping onions. Oh, mate.
It's my master chef audition.
Mate, I think you're going to win most Croatians' hearts on that one. I guarantee that. Next, we've got good sir.
Eddie Kontrec.
Mate, Lenny's cooking up the good stuff, the chavapi. Going good, going deep. Mate, how many have you cooked today so far?
About 1,000, maybe two. I don't know, I haven't counted. But this is the Croatian Teppanyaki section.
Yeah. Beautiful, that's what we like to see. Gentlemen, we'll catch you about later on.